I'm back again with another interesting shopping spree. Hope you're doing good. Thank you so much for your time. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Share. By giving me a thumbs up, you are letting YouTube know that you enjoy my type of video, and that will definitely make them to push me to a wider audience. Thank you so much. Look what we got here. I love this shade of green. This is so chic. This is so chic for $12.99. It's not lined, which is the problem. I don't know. It's a problem to me. It's a big deal. Yeah, $12.99 but it is available in 8p, 12p, 16p, different sizes. Okay, same price. Okay, here we have these very plain tees, $12.99 by CK. We have this black one for also, this is $11.99. Here we have this one by Guess. They don't disappoint. Tees, they are very good with that. Okay, look at that. This one is $12.99. Look at this clean white button down shade. The button, look at this. Button closure is hidden, which is brilliant idea. I love that. For $29.99 by Tommy Hilfiger. Interesting. Okay, something caught my attention here. Let me quickly show you. Okay, this is a good trend. I just want to show you. Say we are doing this year. Look at this cuffed jeans for just $16.99. And this one, let's check out the size. I love this. This is well made. Yeah, this one is more, kind of, practical. I would say I can wear this. Yeah, the barrel jeans it's just everywhere. I don't know, it looks kind of, I don't know what to say about barrel jeans, but I can do cuff jeans. I can do this one. All right, this one is $16.99, and by this brand. The size, size 2. Okay, size 2. All right, let's see what we can lay our hands on here. Yeah, let's see. I always love to go to, let's see. This is size 6. Okay. Wash denims, yeah. Not really. We are doing more of, dark denims, dark jeans, okay? $34.99. I love this one. It's well made. The quality is top notch. Flayed jeans. Look at this. This is by Michael Kors. Okay, I'm not surprised. $34.99. And these jeans, let me show you. This jeans was $125, and you get it for $34.99. It's a steal. This is another interesting, good washed jeans. Look, this brand, they make very good jeans. Yeah, I've got a couple of jeans from this brand. Very good. This was $78 today. You get for $24.99. Interesting. Okay. Let me see. Let's take a look. I'm not here for any crazy jeans. Okay, let's see what we can get here. This looks like very cool camel. Okay. This looks like very cool cargo pants. Very simple, yeah. This is very cool, yeah. By CK for $29.99. All right. Okay. To this rack, I'm looking at 2-piece set. I guess 2-piece set. Look. Look at the detail on the top. 2-piece set. This is priced together for $19.99. Beside is the skirts. Look. Alright, you tie it by the side. This skirt is $16.99. Let me fix this 1 second. We just need to fix that. Okay, here, this is another cuff jeans. Ooh, this is everything you need in one, dark, nicely cuffed. And this one is on sale for $15.99. And this is in size 14. No pocket at the back. Oh, do you like jeans without pockets? To me, it's a no-no. I like my jeans to have pocket at the back, but this is cool, okay? And yeah, let's keep. This is another jeans by this same brand, $24.99. Their jeans are always neatly well made, solid, very good. $24.99. Okay, let me take you to shoe section. Let's see what they have there. Okay, come with me. Okay. Let's start from here. They are beginning to be out. This is 7.5. Not bad. This one is $14.99, and this is loafers by DKNY for $29.99. I got something like this. I'm looking for red slim back shoes. This is in size 8. And I also saw this at TJ Maxx the last time I was in the store. This is $27.99. Alright, and here we have this one. Oh, guess. The leather is so good for $14.99. This is a very good leather. Wow, and the heel height will be very comfortable. Alright, and I don't know why I don't always see such deal in my size. This is another one. Slim bag. Why did they stack this together here? Okay. This is on sale for $14.19. Interesting. I'm looking at something up here. This caught my attention. Oh my God. Things are not arranged here, to be honest. Let me see. Oh my God, here. I just want to show you something. This ballet flats for $13.99. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's check behind and see what they have here for us. Of course, you will see lots of fun sneakers this year. Red sneakers, green sneakers. Alright. Yeah, most brands, made this sneaker. This one is by Maiden Girl for $16.99. It's a good deal. Look what we got here, nicely beaded. And this one is $19.99. Okay. Yeah, more shoes. Look. Oh, $10.99. Look, $10.99. You heard me right. This feels so good. Like, very soft. Okay. And this one is $13.99. Okay. Interesting. I got these shoes the last time I was in the store. Very chic. Very, very chic. And here we have this one. These tongue sandals for $8.99. Ooh, look at that. Look what we have there. Okay. Yeah. Lots of clearance today in the store, actually. Here we have this one for $12.99. Okay, and here by Sugar for $9.99. Kitten Hill. Interesting. Alright. If you like my type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Let's take this channel to another level. This is by 9 West. I love the color combo. The heel height is perfect for $29.99. Okay. Look what we got here. I've not seen. Oh, this shade is so unique. In size 8. This is narrow fit. This is not wide fit friendly. It's very small hair. And if I'm to go for this, I'll go like a size up. $27.99. Alright, I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please share. And until next time, bye for now.